Hey guys, welcome to an episode of Cooking with the Reaper, your heavy metal chef. I'd like to thank you guys for being here with us. Got a quick little recipe for you guys tonight. Pesto pasta. Right? So we got roughly about 2 cups of fresh basil. Alright, we got gonna hit this with a little extra virgin olive oil. About 2 tablespoons to start. Okay. Oops. Gonna hit it with a little fresh pepper. And we got our pasta water over here. Gonna throw some salt in there. Salt your water, guys. And we got some pine nuts. Which it's not too bad in this little pouch. And we're gonna use 1/4 cup. And an extra tablespoon. Now it's going to take about 5 minutes for these to toast, guys. When they start to toast, they're going to toast fast. Alright? I'm going to go ahead and grate it. Whoops. Going to grate up some fresh Parmesan Reggiano. About 3-4 tablespoons. Guys, do yourself a favor. Buy it in a block. Authentic. Grate it yourself. Don't buy the stuff that's already shredded. Then we have some fresh garlic from the garden. The basil's from the garden as well. Gotta keep an eye on this, guys, because you don't want to burn your pine nuts. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and pulse this a little bit. You can make it thick as thin as you would like. Just gotta scrape your sides down, guys. Alright. Oh yeah, man, smell that basil. It's good stuff. And you go ahead and toast these up, guys, because it gives it a nice flavor. All right. It only takes a couple minutes to do that. All right. Now we're gonna add this right in there. Normally I let it cool. I'm gonna set about a tablespoon off to the side, just for garnish. Gives it an awesome flavor, guys. Alright, and then we're gonna throw our Parmigiano in there. Also gonna toast our garlic. And we're not gonna discard this olive oil. We're gonna put it in with our pesto. That should be plenty. Hey, and check this out, guys. My friends from Heavy Metal Beer Club, Arthur and Andrea, man, they sent me some goodies. Some white chocolate ale, some Jalapeno red, it's spicy. We got another. You guys gotta check their channel out. Awesome, Heavy Metal Beer Club. You're gonna love them. Whether you like IPA beer or not, they're great folks. All right. Oops, help, we turned the flame on, huh? All right. We're gonna let that toast up for a few minutes. And I'm gonna go ahead and do some more pulsating over here, guys. Oh yeah, man, smell that pesto. It's good stuff there. And you're gonna have to scrape the sides down, guys. All right. I'm gonna throw some pink Himalayan salt in here. Salt to taste, guys. Remember, you can always add it. You can't take it out. Oh yeah. Smell that garlic, Gunge?
Yep.
Good stuff. Guys, take the extra step. It's gonna make it unbelievable. Yeah. I'm gonna add some more parmesan. You can always grate some more. All right, but let me finish pulsating this up, guys. We'll be right back. Hey guys, welcome back. Hey, now don't forget, put yourself a cup of pasta water off to the side because we're making creamy pesto pasta. You want to cook your noodles? I'm using my noodle of choice, Linguine. But you want to cook your noodles a little more than al dente. They're going to finish cooking in the pan. Alright? Woohoo! Reaper style.
You can grab that noodle.
I ain't grabbing that noodle.
I mean, you don't
grab
have
that noodle.
You don't have filling in your fingertips, man.
Whatever, I ain't grabbing it. Alright. There's our pasta, huh? Now we're going to throw our pesto in there, which turned out amazing. Oh yeah, look at that. You can make it as thin as you would like, as thick as you would like, guys. It doesn't matter. It's your preference. I'm going to go ahead and add that half a mug of pasta water. We're going to get it creamy. That's starchy water, guys. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, look at that. It's amazing. It's amazing. Sorry I haven't been with you in a while, guys. Still been under the weather. Getting better, though. All right, let's get that off of there. Oh, yeah. Creamy enough for you, buddy?
Yep.
Alright. Let's turn that off. Gonna go ahead and get this plated up for you folks. Nothing like fresh ingredients right from the garden to your table. And we're gonna hit it with some Parmigiano Reggiano. Oh yeah. Gonna top it off with some of those toasted pine nuts. Gives it a nice nutty flavor. Brings it to a whole nother level, guys. And we'll throw a couple basil leaves on there. And you know what? I'm gonna have to kick it up a notch, guys. Some chili flake. You can omit the chili flake if you'd like. But there you have it. Creamy pesto pasta. It's the best you're ever gonna get. Fresh out of the garden, everything. But I'd like to thank you for being with us here again on another episode of Cooking with the Reaper, your heavy metal chef. And God bless, and we will see you next time.